Now, let me entering into my duty. Presently, Dr. K.S. Sarjan sir is working as Assistant Professor of Education at NSS Training College Research Center, Ottapala. He was also worked in Srinarayana College of Teacher Education, Marcus Training College and HM Training College. He has completed MSc in Zoology, MA in Sociology, MD in Educational Technology, MPhil and PhD in Zoology. He is also certified from various international universities from the online learning courses. He has published more than 30 research works and articles including the collective work related to state-level textbook, handbook and module preparation for biology, population education and home science. He is holding various posts in University of Calicut, University of Kerala and Government of Kerala in connection with Board of Studies, curricular revision and examination. He has acted as resource person in many workshops, training programs, and more than 50 faculty development programs organized by HRDCs, TLCs, and various other organizations. He delivered different lectures on educational technology and use of mobile phones at Akashvani. Recently conducted 2 video lectures in National Television Channel of NCRT. He has created more than 300 educational learning materials related to educational psychology, educational research, statistics, and educational technology. Now I am concluding. Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepa. We are fortunate to have such a great person as a resource person. With a great gratitude, let me invite you, sir, for a exciting and the experience which you share with us, for all the experiences. Thank you so much for your valuable views and opinions which you are going to share with us. With your views and experiences and the resource you have which you share with us will be a great experience for us in this new year. Thank you so much. Welcome you, sir. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Principal Dr. Benedict, sir. Thank you, Jojo, sir, and Research Department of Martiophilus Training College, and dear teachers, research scholars, and other students. Actually, I am not so energetic and I am not so what is called the enthusiastic today, but today is a good day for all. I know that is 2021 welcomes us to a new life. So happy New Year to all. Good afternoon to all. I am a little tired today. I don't know why. Yet I would like to make this session interesting for you. But I am sure that this topic is very familiar for many of you. And actually, this topic is highly useful for students as well as teachers. For students, I am sure that, one second. For students, I am sure that in order to make any program successful, they need to create brochures and posters. I am sure that student teachers, research scholars, and other teacher educators have to work on this aspect to organize program. And in order to, the main part of organizing a program to create brochures and posters too. The first step may be a registration form. It is not only for the creation of registration forms. It is not only for the creation of online programs, but also important for the offline programs too. Usually, I'm sure that in my school days and college days, Usually, the school or college teachers go for the nearby DTP center or any press to create a poster. And they may spend many hours in front of the computer to design with the help of a computer expert. But that era is gone. Now, all students, even from the 8th standard itself, they have the capacity to create their own designs, their own ideas, their own what is called designs to publish a poster. And they can just send it to any print medium like color printers or laser printers to take print out of the required number of posters. And we know that usually the experts use many softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, PageMaker, or CorelDRAW. There are some sophisticated tools like this to create posters. But nowadays, not go for such complicated tools. We have our own device, the mobile. Using this device, they can create good posters. Or with the help of an ordinary computer with inbuilt applications like PowerPoint, they can go for designing posters, attractive posters. Now I think in a training college like Matthew Phillips Training College, usually programs are there daily, even online or offline. Daily means at least I think that there is a program like Thought for the Day or Morning Assembly. Such programs may be there. So my request is that as a practice to create or design good posters, assign students to create posters of their own program in each day and post it on the social platforms of the college. Any colleges, there are, I know there are many teachers from different parts of India are there in the participant list and in the YouTube live streaming too. And my request is that all these teachers can insist to create brochures for the small programs, even like a Thought for the Day, in order to make them familiar with these tools and how to create easily these tools. I am suggesting 2 or 3 ways. My favorite tools are actually Photoshop, but it is very difficult to install it, and it will take some time for a new learner to familiarize with the tools of the Photoshop. So I am going for the easy platforms, easy for everyone. Everyone means those who are teachers or teacher educators. They can go for this method because I'm sure that anyone in the field of education may be familiar with this platform. Which is this platform? I am actually in a intermediate position to shift my online classes into offline mode into college. So my all devices are not here. So I cannot observe all the participants as in my previous sessions because I haven't additional monitor right now. So I am not insist you to switch on the camera, but in between I need a oral feedback or in the chat box to get an interaction with you. Okay. Then my first question to you, which is this platform? You can answer in the chat box. It is better to answer in the
PowerPoint.
Yeah, simply it is PowerPoint. Yeah, Ariash Notch and many teachers, Asha teacher replied, it's PowerPoint. Yeah, we are familiar with this PowerPoint. And actually this PowerPoint is a good tool to create posters, not only the slides, but the default size of this slide is not so good for any brochures. So we have to change. Yeah, it may be suitable for some posters, like that of a wide landscape mode of a poster. You can utilize the same design. Otherwise, you can just go for the tab design. And one more thing, here I am using Office 2013. In Office 2010 and above, all these features are there. Okay, here I am using Office 2013, 2016 it is there, 18 it is there, 19 it is there. But I think many of the options, no, a few of the options are not in Office 2007, the old one. So if you have any familiarity with the computer applications, you can just go for any computer center to just update your Office application to the new one. I'm sure that I'm using that the i3 processor with the 4 GB RAM. Any system available now in Kerala have the capacity to utilize these features. And for school teachers, if anyone there, for school teachers, their laptops may have an operating system of Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, there is an application and its name is LibreOffice Impress. LibreOffice Impress is also can be utilized to create posters. The method I suggest the same method. Okay. Now in PowerPoint, just go to design and go for the right side corner. There is a button known as slide size. Just click on the slide size and select custom slide size. And usually we may not go for this area. And usually it is the size of widescreen. Just to change into any size you like in your poster or brochure. If you like to use an A4 size paper, just click on A4 size, or you can use custom size with the help of this width and height. That is, what is your size of the poster? What is the size of your brochure? Decide first that and go for that. I am now selecting easily the A4 and I change it into portrait mode. Landscape mode, that is this wide screen mode. Just change into portrait mode and click OK. Now select ensure fit and maximize. Select this option, maximize. That's enough. See, now the size of a slide is in the shape of an A4 sheet. You can observe. If you have any doubt in this aspect, please ask me how to change the shape of a slide. Then only we can utilize this application into create a poster, a good poster. And select any one slide here. And I am removing the default text boxes here. There are many default text boxes. Just remove all these default text box. And think about the poster or brochure you want to create. If it is a poster for today's program or a program for environmental education, you can decide which background is needed. You can set the background first. For editing background, you can go for somewhere here in the design area. You can go for this, and you can go for format background. If you are not familiar with the menu of this PowerPoint, just right click on the slide and go for format background. In the format background area, you can select any solid color. I am now selecting a blue color. Okay, a solid color or a gradient color. You can select a gradient color like this. Okay, you can select any color appropriate for your brochure. Now I am thinking of designing an ICT um, workshop brochure. For that purpose, I need one background image here. For that purpose, I am going for this tab, Insert, and from the pictures, I select any good image from my computer. Actually, these images are already collected from the internet. It is available in internet. I select this image. This is a good image for ICT training. Just click and select this image into the brochure and take as much fill into this brochure and see whether it is good for the brochure or not. And you can change the layout of this image by clicking these icons. Just change, yeah, it is immersed there. By clicking this icon, the image is immersed in the background. Actually, this background should need to modify again. By clicking here, I can change it into another good color which match to this background and click yeah, not here. Here also I want to use the background color by selecting this eyedropper. You can utilize, yeah, that color is not so good, I think. In that way, you can select good color match with your poster. Yeah, that's enough. Now, somewhat okay. Somewhat okay. I am not satisfied, but it will take time to select good matching colors with the poster. Yeah, now this is enough. I am now going for inserting the text box. Insert text box. Here we need a title of the brochure. It may include that text box may include the name of the college or the name of the program. Here I would like to add name of my college here, NSS Training College, Patapala. Okay, now change this font into adequate size. In order to accommodate that area and make it bold, change the color into white or light colors, because I would like to add a background dark color too. That's all regarding your ideas in designing. Okay, just right click this area and again format shape and go for solid fill. I would like to give a black color and make it somewhat transparent in order to match the background color. Yeah. Now go for other details of address, phone number, email address, something like things can be typed here. Actually, it is typed in capital letters. Usually, we have to type it in small letters. Okay, we can add other details there later. Then again insert another text box, because in each text box we can add different colors. Okay, so for that purpose, now I use another text box tool to add the details of the workshop. ICT training workshop. Simply add one name here, and you can make it again bold, central alignment, increase the size, change the color into another one. Here I would like to use a dark color, but the background color is not matching with that. So I right click and format shape and go for solid fill into light colors. Okay. Yeah, light blue is good, I think. Yeah. ICT workshop. Then you can add on the date, something like that here itself, or you can add another text box. You can insert the emblem of the college from again from if it is already available with you, or you can download from your computer, etc., etc. Just click any image of the emblem of the college and you can put it a right place, but actually the place is not adequate to accommodate all those things. So you can change the size of the text box and reduce the size of the box, etc., etc., and put it at appropriate place. All these are placing. You can make movement at anywhere. What is the advantage of PowerPoint over to that of Word is that Word will not allow you to place one object over the other. Here you can place one object over the other, but in PowerPoint, Word or any other file, any other Word document files or document files, it is not possible. Okay, now you can insert another text box and add a date or organized by such details, and you can add the details of organizers, etc., etc. All those, add all those things here. In type all the matter in different text box. You can change the color of each text box, and you can one more thing, you can change the pattern of the text box also. See here in format shape, here there are many other options like soft edges. You can go for soft edges. That means the border of this shape can be dissolved into the back of the poster. Such options are here. All these options are available in yeah, here again I am going for the format shape button, then click here and soft edges. You can change, select the soft edge and change the size, and you can add a shadow of, if you like to add a shadow of the image, you can change it and you can blur it. You can add a angle of the thing here, and you can add a reflection if you like. See a reflection of the text box. Here also I would like to add a reflection, and in that way you can make many attractive elements to your poster. Then here I would like to add one thing, that is the registration link. Usually the registration link is given as a full sentence of forms.google.com/xyz captcha, etc. For example, if we create a registration form like this in Google form, usually we keep click on this send button and click on this link button and shorten the URL. Usually we just right click and copy this link and paste it in the PowerPoint in this way. Click here to register. Register for the program. Okay, for that purpose we may provide the link in this way, but this link is not so good here. What is the problem is that this link cannot be retyped into a new tab. We need to directly click here, but that is not easy in many situations. So we have to convert this page into a hyperlinked text. Hyperlinked text means if we click on the mobile phone on this particular area, the mobile phone browser have to open the registration link. For that purpose, we can use many other techniques like inserting another image. Sorry, not a photo album. Insert another image like what is called click here to click here to register, like that. Here there are register now. These type of images are available in Google. You can just go for Google and select for these type of images, and you can add these images here. And just right click the image and click on the hyperlink button. Here you can add the link for registration. Okay, just click and okay, click OK. Now what is the effect? That there is no need of this text box because it is already added to this button. So you can delete this. But if we share this poster as an image, this hyperlink will not work. This image is just an image. It is of no use. In such a situation, you can opt for two things. You can go for one good site which convert the CAPTCHA Google link, this type of difficult Google link, into small links which can be easily typed, like bit.ly. This is a good site. Bitly. Bitly is a good site where you can convert a large elongated link into web link into shorter one. And for that purpose, we need to create an account in this site, and using that account, we have to enter into the site. I forgot actually the email ID and the password of this site. I just tried. This is one way. But again, this method is not so good because the participant have to type bit.ly/ and the code which we may provide in the brochure, which may be available from the site. I think this is the password. No. No. Yeah. Now the third password work for me. This is my account here. Just click and save it. But some problems may be there. See here, one link is created by me, bit.ly/AdiaVK. In that way, the elongated Google Drive link is reduced. You can go for this type of again, it is one of these site which reduce the redirecting link. Click on this create, paste the long Google form address here, and it will automatically reduce it into bit.ly 38. In that way, we can change it into NSSTC ICT. Is it available? Just wait for. Okay, if it is available, we can go for this site. Link has been edited. Now this is the new link. bit.ly/NSSTC ICT will lead to this. Then that link can be added here. So if it is shared in the form of an image, the participants can directly type the address like https:// no need, just paste it. Okay, yeah, no, not this. bit.ly/NSSTC ICT. Okay, now it is reduced. The size is automatic caption or capitalization is the remove it and fill it with which color. White is, I think, good. Okay, or you can add this type of a shortened link for the registration. Otherwise, one more method for creating images of our posters with hyperlink. That is again many of us have a misconception that the use of QR code. Actually, the use of the QR code is that we can convert any elongated websites, addresses, text matter into a square image. Simply go for QR code generator, and where we can paste the link of the Google form, and it will create a new QR code here. Just right click and copy the image, and you can add that image here. You can directly add that image in the poster. That means by scanning this QR code, any participant can register our program. And the both the hyperlinked document or the QR code image can be used as a brochure. And again, add other details in the lower portion, and dear participants, please register, and so and so. And after that, type the date, place, and name of the principal, so and so. Add all those things. And after making all those things, go for the file menu. We can save this into two different types, different formats. That is, one format is a PDF format. The advantage of PDF format is that we can show the advantage of this PDF format. I would like to add it into the desktop. Actually, there is some problem with this new laptop I am using. Here, this is desktop. I select this desktop and select not as a PowerPoint file. I can choose for PDF. That means the PowerPoint is now converted into the PDF. You can just rename the file into NSSTC ICT brochure. In that way, you can rename it any name, can give any name, just click save. This is one way of creating the PDF document. Otherwise, you can create the image. In the image, you can use the QR code to register, activate the hyperlinks. In PDF files, you can just click on the file itself, will lead to the brochure. I would like to save it again in the form of image. Go for save, and again computer. Yeah, in meanwhile, the Adobe will open that PDF file. I'll show it later. Select the desktop. Here I am sharing this, saving this file in the form of JPEG. Yeah, now it is converted into JPG, NSSTC brochure, STC brochure. Okay, now click on save. Then, yeah, which slide you want to export? All slides or just this one? Yeah, just this one. I am actually using only one slide in this PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, there are so many slides are there, in which I use only one slide as the brochure of the program. Now I can show the image and the PDF file of the program. Regarding this brochure, one mistake is committed by me. There are 4 pages in the brochure, but only the second page consists of this brochure. And here there is a hyperlink. See, the cursor is changed into the form of a hyperlink. That is, the Google form is attached here, or you can directly type this address in the website. Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox to reach into that particular Google form, or you can use this QR code. Using your mobile phone, if you scan this QR code, or if you just take a screenshot of your mobile screen right now, you can directly reach to this Google form of registration. And in that way, we can add any number of links hyperlinked into the text in the PDF form. And in the image form, see, it is already saved as an image also, JPG. Open the image, see it is open as an image. Here also you can observe all the matters, typed matters with these images. And this is the easiest way for anyone to create a brochure. If you have any query regarding this, please ask in the chat box. Meanwhile, I would like to demonstrate the same in a mobile phone. Or I will suggest ways to create these type of things using mobile phones. I think this is an easy tool for you. That's why I suggest PowerPoint as a tool to create posters. If you have any query, please. Thank you, Prabhakar sir. Now in this small screen, you can observe my mobile phone screen. Yeah, thank you, Sarita. Okay, now in mobile phone, you can directly use the same application which is already demonstrated, that is MS PowerPoint. See, usually in Samsung mobile phone, PowerPoint is an inbuilt application, or you can go for Play Store and download PowerPoint and install in your mobile, and you can use the same method which is demonstrated in the laptop to create a poster. That is one method. Or you can go for Office, another good application. Again, it is of Microsoft Office. Why they have to search this much time to not here? I can directly search in the application list, Office. This is Office application. Here also you can go for PowerPoint, select a blank PowerPoint. And here again, you can do the same thing, which is already demonstrated in the mobile, in the laptop. Or in a mobile phone, there are number of other applications to create posters, good posters. All these features are not in a computer. I will demonstrate some of the, there are a number of such applications are there. One of my favorite is Malayalam image editor, which may be utilized by students to troll your teachers. But this is a good application. In this way, you can select a area for the poster and you can add text directly here. My spelling is not good here. Training. Okay, that's enough. Click done, and you can change the size of the font. All these things are more easy in a, or you can place it anywhere. You can change the font. You can change the color. Okay, and you can add all the other things. Typed all other things, can add image, but it is not easy to save it as a PDF, but we can easily save it as an image, because here saving as image is important in this particular application, and its name is Malayalam Image Editor. That is one of the application in mobile phone. The other application which I suggest is that that is image editor. Yeah, one good application is Adobe. That actually not in this mobile. I will tell the name. You can utilize, search it in the Play Store, and you can add in your mobile. That is a good application, but it is very similar to our Photoshop. One second. Actually, what is the problem is that I am not using this mobile phone not much to create these type of things. Yeah, poster makers. Yeah, this is the application Spark Post. Spark Post is an application of Adobe, and you can use different types of templates. You can search for different types of templates like collage, seasonal, lifestyle, business, school, and select a school, and in which there are different types of brochures and posters are there, and select any one template which may be helpful for you. But to use this application, you have to upgrade. This is not a free feature because of this yellow icon. If there is no yellow icon, you can directly use it. Select this one, the second one. Okay, you can directly use this theme to type all the matters and remix this template. Select this, and this is the easiest way. Or you can create your own by using your own text. You can go for the layout and you can select the brochure layout of different types. Okay, select this, or you can change the layout of the paper. You can change the border, color, design. All these things are here in this particular application, and its name is Spark Post. One of the applications created by students are here. This is a poster created by our students for their thought for the day, and this is another poster created by me for the program of faculty development. And then this is another poster created as a part of my strike against NEP, and so many things are here. And this is Spark Post. Another one, Logo Pit. Logo Pit Plus is again can be used in the same way to create posters. I am not going to demonstrate all those things. And another one, is Canva and Textgram. Canva is a good one, but there is a security issue in that particular application. If you not bother about any security issue, you can go for your email ID password may be taken up by this Canva. That's why I am not intended to open that particular application. Textgram is another good one. Here also you can select empty canvas of particular size and double tap to add matters here. Okay. Here also you can create good posters. And my request, students of B.Ed or M.Ed course can go for this mobile applications, but teachers have to go for creating applications using this PowerPoint at least. Okay, now I think my first topic is over here. And if you have any queries, you can ask. Otherwise, we can go for. Yeah, can we do it in WPS, Arya Shinoj? Yes, you can use WPS. Again, WPS is a Chinese application. Again, if you create a WPS cloud ID using your Google, there may be a chance of stealing your Google password with the help of WPS. So I suggest to use Microsoft Office, or you can go for WPS itself. Idea. Then I think we can go for the certificate creation because it takes some more time. Right? Other things are clear, I think, from the comment of one of the teacher. I think I can stop here. And if you want to add only one page in your brochure, remove all other slides and using a single slide, try to save it as in a PDF format. Or if you have multiple pages in your, if you need multiple pages in your brochure, add another slide and add again matters here. Again, give the either give the same theme here, or you can create a new background image and other things here and save it as a PDF file. So no need to go for Adobe Photoshop or PageMaker, etc., to create these type of things. The PowerPoint itself is a good tool. The advantage I already mentioned, that you can place any object over the other. Okay, you can change the position by clicking right click, bring to front, send it to back. Such options are here. So you can place any object similar to PageMaker to place anywhere. That is advantage of this platform. Okay, now I would like to stop this topic and go for the next topic. And the other topics are all, the second topic is certification is not based on the mobile phone. So I just switch off this mobile phone and I can explain all those things in browser. That is, all the next things are browser based. Okay. In order to create a certificate, first we need a registration, a certificate creation form. Certificate creation form means either in the form of a feedback or only for the purpose of certificate creation, we need to create a Google form. Now I rename this form into certificate, and here instead of registration, I change it to certificate. First, we have to create this type of a Google form for that purpose. And we have to ask email address, name, and the questions are wrong here. I can, I would like to ask designation. Then here you ask your participants to type the name correctly. For such instructions can be added here in a bracket. Add your salutations like Dr. Mr. MRS, etc. here. In that way, you can add some instructions, and you can also add some instructions here. This form is used for certificate generation, so please careful while typing your name and other things, because no correction is allowed later. Such comments can be added here also. Then give designation and add one more question here, a name of institution. Okay, that's enough. 3 questions: email address, name, designation, name of institution. Okay, that's enough. Here it is also a required question. And you can use 2 applications to create certificates using this Google form. One application is not free now. That application is known as Certify EM. I just search it, Certify EM. Such an application is here. But the problem is that Certify EM is not free now. See, I already added Certify EM here. How to add Certify EM into Google Form? Just click on this gear icon. Not that gear icon. These 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots. And then 3 dots, there is an option, add-ons. Add-ons. Click on the add-ons. And it will redirect you to the Google's store. That store is known as Google. This is work with forms, not here. This is a Google application store, Chrome application store. Here you can search for this particular application, Certify. Certify, spelling is wrong. Certify. Click on Certify and click on this particular application, Certify EM. And on the right side, there is an option to add or install. It is already installed by me. Okay, that's why here, please uninstall app for domain in admin console. Such a command is here. I already installed this. Otherwise, I can use click here to add this. It is already added as an application here. Add-ons. It is the see. Now I can activate this Certify. Actually, I already mentioned that Certify EM is one of the application and it is not free now. In free version, it add a small watermark free with Certify EM in all the certificate created by your this Google form. I click on this Certify EM application. In order to activate this, I want to refresh this page and again click on this particular application, Certify EM. Click on here. Yeah, now it is okay. Then click on Enable Certify EM in this. Certify EM is now enabled for use in this quiz. So it is converted into it needed to convert in the form of a quiz because Certify EM can be used only in a quiz. So we have to convert this Google form into the form of a quiz. Actually, there is no question with the marks. So the difficulty is that we have to give some marks for each of any of the question here. For example, in the name of the institution, answer key is there, 0 point. Okay, that's enough. Only actually this application is intended to give certificates for students who pass some quizzes. But that feature is used by us to create certificate for the webinars. Okay, now again click on this Certify EM. Yeah, now it is enabled. Certify EM is now enabled for the use of Get Started. There is a new menu will appear here like this, Certify EM. Then there is a command that the certificate will be issued only if you got 80% score. But actually we know that this is not a quiz, so we can reduce the score into 0%. That means anyone who fill this data will be provided with a certificate. That is, we reduce the passing percentage from 80 to 0. That is first thing. The second thing, you can you have to turn on but it is a last step. Actually, it is turned off. Now we have to select any certificate template. Many templates are given by default by the certifier, but all the templates are very boring. One of the template is this, and this is another template, again boring. This is another template. In that way, but actually this is a template now I would like to generate, and this is the template I by default it is generating, but you can go for any custom template by clicking here. See, Certify EM comes here with the free professionally designed these boring templates for your certification exam. Preview them below. Prefer to create your own custom template. If you like to create your own custom template, see here for instruction. So I click here to get the suggestions or recommendations how to create a custom template. Start a new template. To get started, you can create Google Slides. You can design a certificate in Google Slide, in Google Drive. Then create a new Google Slide document. need something custom, don't want to start from scratch. Okay, how to customize this certificate, which is explained with this meta tags here, but it seems to somewhat complex. One second. Hello, sir. എനിക്കത് കൃത്യം അറിയില്ല സാർ. ഓക്കെ. Okay, and now this seems too complex, but we can demonstrate the process right now. Then you may find it easy to create how to create custom templates. Okay, for that purpose, I need to go for my Google Drive, and inside the Google Drive, I have to create one certificate from there are many certificates available here already created, but I am going for a new one. By clicking the plus mark, go for Google Slides and try to create one certificate. And first I want to rename it into MTTC certificate. MTTC certificate. Yeah. Now this is a slide where I can design the certificate. Yeah. MTTC Nalanchira. Then add all those things and name, phone number, etc. here. This area can be utilized for that. Then insert one image, upload from computer. That is the emblem of the college. Okay, go for that. It is just designing the what is called a certificate for our program based on any emblem. Okay, you can reduce the size and put in the appropriate place of the area. Okay, you need a beautiful background for the certificate. Just search in Google certificate borders or certificate designs, and you may be provided with many certificate templates like this. You can edit it and use it, but you need to replace some text here. For that purpose, you need to use either Photoshop or any other applications for that purpose, or you can just select certificate border. That is, we select only the border, and yeah, see, a good borders are. We use only these borders in our certificate. Just select this. Okay, just yeah, there is a watermark. I select this. Okay, now it is somewhat good. I select, right click, and save this image. A good image is needed. Okay, JPG. Yeah, I think this is a good image. Now close this, and I can add that image here by clicking insert image, upload from computer. Yeah, this is the border. You can add this border in your certificate. You can increase the size in this way. You can move it downwards. The size is increased so much. Okay, now it is good. Now there is a watermark, something like that, so you can remove it by moving the border outside. Then after making the correct size of this border, just right click and order, bring send it to back. See, now the border is there. Now our certificate matter is here. You can reduce the matter, reduce the font size, change the font size, etc. from this menu. Okay. Now we have to add another matter here, certificate. Here type the matter. This is to certify that. This is to certify that. Here we need our name from the Google form. For that purpose, we need a double bracket here, double flower bracket. That is the thing here in this area. This is the meta tag, double flower bracket. Inside the double flower bracket, add full name. So we need to type full name here. Type full name, exactly similar to those present here. Full space name, all in small letters. So we have to type full space name, then close the flower bracket. This is to certify that Srimati Rekha PS participated in the of Rekha PS of her designation. We need her designation. To add designation, we can use easy method, other identifier space 2, without space 2. That is, we need to add the designation and the name of the institution. Both can together add with this meta tag. That means we can add off after off, not off, assistant professor. After name, just put a comma. That is best. Just put a comma. Again, within bracket, other identifier. Type other identifier to close the bracket. That means this is to certify that, imagine one name in your mind. For example, Dr. Rekha PS. Then this is given by the participant, her designation. Other identifier, two identifiers are added here. One identifier, her designation, assistant professor. Then NS training college at her institution. Okay, participated in the workshop. On you can add the name of the workshop, all the details in this first area, or you can use another area here, or you can type here itself, ICT workshop. On you can add the date on 1st January 2021. Yeah, that's enough, I think. Now you can change the layout of this into justify format. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we need the name of the principal and the sign of the principal, etc., etc. For that purpose, again, we can add another text box, insert text box. We can add Dr. K.Y. Benedict, principal. Then you can make it right alignment. Then again, if you want to add any more things like coordinator's name, Dr. Jojo John, coordinator. Okay, then if you want to add the signature of this person, actually the size is very high. I want to reduce it into 80. Yeah, that's enough. Then only we need adequate space to add all those things. You can use spacing by here, 1.5 space. Okay. Now, if you want to add the signature of this person here, again, you can upload from your computer if it is already scanned and added by you in your computer. just select any other signature, which may be, many signatures may be available with me. Yeah. Okay, you can add the signature of principal and other coordinators in this way, and you can place it somewhere else. And if you want to add a certificate ID, you can go for again insert text box, again in within flower bracket. Observe here how to add certificate ID. It may be the certificate space ID. This is the format. You cannot copy and paste it directly from it because it is an image. It will not work. So you have to type it within double flower bracket, certificate ID. Okay, now it is good, somewhat good. Now our certificate is somewhat ready. You can make it bold, you can change the color, you can change anything, you can add images. All these things are possible, similar to the PowerPoint. This is Google slide is simply very similar to PowerPoint. You can make any changes here. Now I would like to link this certificate with this Google form. For that purpose, this is our old certificate, which is already created form. For this purpose, I click here and go use a custom, select use a custom template. It will directly lead into your Google Drive. Okay, in the Google Drive, click on the select a new file. Here, MTTC Nalanchira, the new file created by me is there. Just click here and click select. Now, I think if the name is changed, click on this save changes. Now then, if the name is changed into MTTC certificate, now it is ready to create the certificate. If it is in a G Suite account, you can create 1,500 certificates per day. If it is not in G Suite or normal account, you can create 100 accounts per day. Now it is ready to create certificate. Just click here to turn on. Okay, please wait. It will activate soon. Now I request one or two participants just fill this form in order to verify whether the certificate is available with you or not. I will send this certificate right now with you. Copy, and I will share it in the chat box. Yeah, there it is. Actually, Vanachakumar Kulkarni, this form is not for the feedback, actual feedback form. One form is shared by me in the chat box. It's the test file which is created right now. Yeah, Sanila Manoj ma'am, don't share the exact feedback form right now because there may be a confusion between my link and their link. I request any participants just try to click and fill this. If you fill this, I also try to fill this, which email is opened here. I think D4 sergeant@nsc.org. Okay, I also will demonstrate how to fill this at nssce.org. Then you can type your full name. You can add your designation. You can add your name of the institution. And just click on the submit button. Then if you passed, you will receive a printable certificate shortly. Such a message may be there. Okay, yeah, just open your email. In your email inbox, there may be a certificate, but it with a watermark. You can remove the watermark with another application. If time permit, I will go for the second one too. Yeah, my certificate is here. My certificate is here. And this is a certificate. My certificate is here. Here, what is the difference is that in here in this place, my name is here. Actually, I added there within flower bracket full name. Here, I already added other identifiers too. But here, one mistake is there. Instead, my designation is not here. Instead, my name of the college, in a training college, Attapalam, is only here. Okay, there may be some error happened into the either in the Google form there is an error, or in the certificate form, and you have to tick it. That is a necessary step. Go for here other identifier 2. Actually, there is other identifier 2 means the second one. Only to provide the second one. So you have to add the designation 2. So in order to add designation, you need to give one more correction here. Within a flower bracket, again type other identifier and close the bracket of, just type of, means assistant professor of NSS Training College at Nepal. I think this is the right one. Other identifier here. Yes, other identifier. Yeah, now it is correct. Other identifier of other identifier 2. Yes. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Sorry, sir. Mr. Toshi. Mr. Toshi, please mute your mic. Excuse me, Mr. Toshi.
See, all these person got the test certificate. See, Arya Shinoj, Sarita, Saumya, as a teacher, again Sarita got the certificate. Means they filled the data and they got the certificate, but with that error. Now I corrected that error. Okay. Now again you can fill and try. And there is a certificate ID is correctly here, and it is number 12. Then Jojo sir's signature is here. But this is the watermark made for free with certify EM. We can remove it only by paying some amount, or you can go for the second application, and its name is Autocrat. Autocrat is not an application which is work on this Google form. You can utilize another application for that purpose, and that application is known as Google Spreadsheet. You have to create a Google Spreadsheet from the Google Form data. How to create a Google Spreadsheet from Google Form data? Just click on this response button. Just click on this responses button and click on this green icon. Here you can create a new spreadsheet, and it will open all the details of all the participants who fill the data. Here you can add the second application add-on, and its name is Autocrat, and it is available from this menu add-on. And here also we need to create a new certificate, and this process is not so simple as I demonstrated for the first one, yet I tried to demonstrate within this short span of time. Then click on this add-on, click on Autocrat. If it is not there, go for get add-ons. You will be redirected to the Google Web Store, from where here you can search for this particular application, Autocrat. Yeah, now this is the application. It is already installed. If it is not installed, click here to open, and somewhere else there is a button to install it. Just install. then it will appear as a menu here, autocrat. Before that, if we have not adequate time to demonstrate it, I will share one good video which is created by me for this purpose, and will share the link in the chat box. Actually, my channel name is Sergeant Vision. Okay, just note down the name. And if you subscribe the channel, I will add many materials in between. Now I'll share only one video with you. And all this.
Friends, in the last.
Yeah, okay. It is English, in English. I usually create both in English and Malayalam. Now I'm sure that this is an English video. Here the method of creating video, I mean certificate using AutoCAD is demonstrated fully. You can search this video in the chat box. I share the link. If our demonstration cannot be completed in a successful way, you can go for this link. 1 second. Hello, sir. Yeah, ഞാനൊരു മീറ്റിംഗിലാണുള്ളത്. ഇല്ല ആയിട്ടില്ല, തുടങ്ങുന്നില്ല. തുടങ്ങുന്നില്ല. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ശരി ശരി. Yeah. Then using this video link, you just bookmark this link, copy and paste it somewhere else in your mobile phone. Otherwise, if the meeting ends, you cannot get this link. So please copy and paste this link in one chat box or somewhere else. Then you can watch this video again after later. Okay, now we can go for the process of creating certificate using this particular add-ons, and its name is AutoCAD. Just select this AutoCAD, launch it. That is, AutoCAD will work on this document. Give permission. Okay, continue. Now we may need to give our credentials for this AutoCAD. AutoCAD will want to see, edit, and all those things. Click permit, give the permission to edit your documents. Okay, AutoCAD is a Google application. Don't worry about this security feature of this AutoCAD, or you can use a new email ID for this purpose only. Now AutoCAD is now ready to work. Click on this new job. Okay, now name of your merge job, certificate creation. Okay, then click next. What next? Then now you can choose Google Slides as a job template from Drive. Actually, a template is not there in my Google Drive. Actually, this MTTC certificate is not in the format for this purpose. So I will make a copy of this file, this certificate, make a copy, entire presentation. Then this is for AutoCAD certificate. I rename it as AutoCAD certificate. Okay, yeah, click and OK. Now I would like to close the first one. Yeah, the AutoCAD certificate is here. Here I have to make some modifications here. Instead of flower bracket, AutoCAD need this less than greater than symbols. See this particular symbol. Instead of flower bracket, here the tag is in this way. Here you can use full name, or here you can type designation, and you can again double click and double. Here also we need double less than greater than symbol. Here name of the institution. Okay, again Yes. Name of the institution. Okay, there is a spelling mistake. No, don't worry about the spelling mistake. It will not reflect in your certificate. Okay, now it is correct. Less than, greater than symbol is important here. Now I modified this certificate and again come back to this spreadsheet. Here, from the Google Drive, I want to create, select a certificate. For that purpose, I click on the Google Drive. Here, the autocrat certificate, just modified certificate is the first one. Click on this and click on select. Now, fetching tags. Tags means which is created by me as the less than, greater than symbol. Okay, now the certificate is active here. Then click on the next. Here, in the there are many options. Merge tab responses from this tab. Form response 1. Header row is the first row. Data row the second row onwards. Okay, that's correct. Then here, full name. Here, full name is available in my certificate. Which column in the spreadsheet belongs to this full name? Click here. Observe, not timestamp, not email address, not score. Yeah, this is name. Name is related to full name. Then click on designation. Which column in our spreadsheet belongs to this? Yeah, designation. Name of the institution. Map to column. Yeah, name of your institution. Name of the institution in the certificate is converted into name of your institution column in the spreadsheet. Okay, now mapping, only 3 tags are there. Only 3 tags are 1, 2, 3. 3 tags are here in the in the certificate. So we can map only 3. Then click on the next button. Here, the type is Google slide. You don't want to share it in the form of a Google slide, but in the form of a PDF. Just select PDF. Then output as multiple output mode. That is a classic mode. Okay, you can, that means you can create any number of certificate. Here there is no limit as 100 certificate per day. You can create large number of certificates within one day in ordinary email account. Okay, then select this and click on next. Then choose a destination folder in the Google Drive. Choose a folder. In the Google Drive, in my Google Drive, in which area this, in which folder these certificates have to be kept. We need to select one such area. Otherwise, you can only these folders are there in my Google Drive. So if you want to create a new one, just try to create one folder here, MTTC certificates. One new folder is created here in my Google Drive. And again, I try to observe what is there. It will not reflect soon here. I need to click cancel or go back and come again. Then only I can observe the newly created one. Yeah, now MTTC certificate is here. Then select this. Now inside this certificate, my all certificate will be saved. Okay. Then again, click on the next button. Add a dynamic folder reference, optional. This is not necessary. Click next. Set merge condition, not necessary. Click next. Share docs and send emails. Yes. I want to share this PDF. So share doc as PDF. Allow collaborators to reshare. No. Those who receive the file will not allow to reshare. Send from generic or no reply address. Yes. No reply means in the sender's name, instead of sarjan@nsc.org, you may find that no reply. Then here we need to add many things. Address. Here from address tag, you can use this email tag. Here in this, there is a small arrow mark here. which will shows the tag of our spreadsheet. Just click here and just click on the email address and just paste it here. That means within this less than greater than symbol, email address appear here. Then type the subject, your certificate, your MPTC certificate. Okay. Then you can type a message here, dear. Here you can add a salutation, dear. What is? Yeah, dear. Your certificate is attached here. Thank you for participation. MPTC team. Okay, now my work is over. Click next. Run from trigger? No. Run from time trigger? No. That is, if you click on fill on this Google form, it will not create the certificate. But instead, I can manually create. How to create such things? Then click save. Set a file name pattern. Need a file name pattern here. Here file name is your name itself. Your name is the file name. Yes, it is appeared multiple times. Yeah. Now this file name is needed here. The file name is your name itself. Then click next. Okay, next, next, next. All these things are already saved. Click save. Saving job certification creation. Now what happened is all those already filled the Google form will provided with a certificate right now. If I click on this play button. Now I am clicking the play button. What will happen is that, yeah, the first person, Deebu Unni, will receive a certificate shortly. I cannot minimize it to show this process going on here. Then second one, Reshmi CP will receive a certificate shortly. Deeba M will receive a certificate shortly. In that way, all the certificate will be created here, and it will also kept in my Google Drive also. This bin CK Matthew certificate, Reshmi CP certificate, Deeba M certificate. This certificate is already available with their email ID also. But there are some errors here. reshmicp@gmail.com participated. There is an error in the creation of this certificate. Name is correct, but here there is an error. I went to correct it. Okay, go for again. You cannot stop this process. Actually, 38 certificates have to be created. You cannot stop the process in between, but you can create these certificates again and again. If the first you have to make a trial run before doing an actual certificate creation process. If there is any error in the tag of this certificate, see in the tag there may be some errors. If such errors are there, it will not work properly. Such an error is there in our creator certificate. It is going on. The process of is going on. Please mention anyone. Please mention whether the certificate is available in their inbox or not. Anyone please mention, search their inbox to verify whether the certificate is generated and created. Yeah, Vinci ma'am. Okay, okay, thank you. Certificate is correctly done for Vinci ma'am. Okay, then the case is only the error of that only that particular person, which means case Vinci ma'am. Yeah, here it is correct. For Binsi, emerged student of MTTC participated in the ICT workshop. Yeah, that is correct, because there may be some error in the Google form filling of Rishmi. That is an error. I think for Binsi, this is correct. I want to check for some other person. Yeah, Akansha Patanjali, research scholar of MTTC. Yeah, again, it is correct. No problem. Now it is good. So the first person, the Rishmi CP, only the person with the defective certificate, I think. Ashwadi S, student teacher of Martiophilus Training College in Nalanjara, Thiruvananthapuram, participate. Yeah, so good. No need of correction. I think there is a problem with the Google data filling of Rishmi CP. I can search here after completion of this certificate creation process. This certificate will be created and kept in my Google Drive, and it will also send to them. Okay. What is the advantage is that there is no watermark. That is one advantage. And the second advantage is that you can verify whether the student actually attended the session, then you can create. It is not, and all of a sudden it will not create. So you can verify the attendance, and only after that you can give the certificate. Otherwise, if one person, for example, Rishmi CP will not attended the session, you can just delete this row and start creation of certificate. That's all. I think 8 certificate yet to be created. And again, there is a limitation that 1,000 certificate will create today. Then tomorrow you can create the balance certificates. Okay, if you have any queries, please ask. Actually, yeah, actually here there is no certificate ID. We have to give one column here, extra column here to add certificate ID. I want to remove, actually, I want to remove this. Actually, this certificate is not without a certificate ID. If you want to add a certificate ID, you can create a column in this Google data sheet as a certificate ID. Okay, I will demonstrate how to add, but actually this, no, I think I request participants not to fill this form again. Okay, now this is good. The job is completed. If you want to add one certificate ID, you can insert one column to the right. Yeah, and you can type here certificate ID. And here you can type an optional certificate ID like MTTC 0001. Yeah, then the next two. Yeah, that's good. And in that way, you can add certificate ID to all. And this area can be again merged to our work in this way. Now, again, editing this work is very good, very easy. If once it is already created, editing this work is very easy. If you want to recreate the certificates, just remove all this data here. You can just remove all this data here, and you can rerun the certificate creation. And here Rashmi CP made a mistake that in the designation place, she put her email ID. See? And yeah, that two data is already filled before. I may remove. If they are not participating in our workshop. So I want to remove them. Yes, I want to remove them. Then I can start certificate creation. Then how to again start the certificate creation? Again, go for autocrat, click on launch button. And again, the autocrat will appear. Here you can again edit the things. But before going that, here we have to type within double comma, less than greater than symbol. Just type certificate and close it. Certificate ID or anything like that. You can add anything in within this brackets. Okay. Now go for this here, and here you can edit it. You can edit this autocrat work Name is correct, no change. Again, it is correct, no change. Here, I have to add one more tag. Actually, that tag is not appeared here because I have to again reuse it. I have to again reuse it because this certificate ID tag is not recognized by this autocrat. So I have to relocate this autocrat certificate ID, then select it. Now click on next. That's enough. Now fetching tag. See, one more tag will appear here. Certificate ID. Here map to column certificate ID. Right. Correct. Okay. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Yeah. Again, click on next. All this share document. Yes. PDF. Okay. All these things are right. Collaborated to reshare. Send from generic no reply. Yes. Click next. Yeah. Before going back, I want to remove the certificates from my Google Drive. I want to remove all these certificates. Otherwise, there may be a clash between the same name, file name. A group deletion is not possible. Yes, it is possible. Yeah, now there is no certificates. Now I rerun this program again. Click on save button. And again, click on this play button. Running job certificate creation. Okay. 36 rows will be merged. Again, the process again restarted. See, one certificate is ready now. I would like to open the certificate of Binsi ma'am. Then yes, Mrs. Sarida certificate is here. Binsi ma'am certificate is here. Now it is, yeah, now the certificate ID is here, right? MTTC 005. This is certificate. In this way, you can design your certificate and you can create the certificate at any time without a watermark. And in such situations, I suggest Autocrat is the best application for this purpose. And if you have any more queries regarding this, yeah, and Arun Kumar sir, it's already typed in a fast way. This is not the original, dear participants, this is not the original certificate of this session. It will be created by the MTTC team shortly and the link will be shared soon. Actually, this certificate is only part of our workshop. The creator certificate. Actually, the signature is not correct. The emblem is not correct. This is a fake certificate. This is the emblem of another school. This is my signature. This is actually not the signature of Dr. Joju Johnson. No certificate is signed by K.V. Benedict sir. So don't go with this particular certificate. This is only a part of this workshop. Don't keep this certificate, just delete the mail. Okay, Arun Kumar, is it clear? That's why there are many mistakes. Okay, now I think the organizers can share the original feedback link to create the original certificate. Meanwhile, the other participants can ask any queries. Any queries regarding these two topics, creation of brochures and creation of certificate. If you have any queries, you can ask. Using the chat box or using your microphone, you can ask. This is an interactive session right now. Feedback link will be shared soon. Thank you, Asha teacher. Rajani, how can we identify a fake certificate, sir? Yeah, that's a good question, Rajani Srikanth. Actually, we made an arrangement for that purpose. Our NSSTC made an arrangement for that. Actually, you can, the organizers can keep this data, which data, this Excel data in their site. Okay, see, go for our site, nsstc.org, I think. If anyone want to verify the certificate, we give a link to verify the certificate in nssc.org site. Here, it directly leads to a certificate verification link. Here, there is an option to verify the certificate. All these documents created in different programs, that is the files like this spreadsheet with the exact certificate ID are available in this link. See, in this link, the last program we conducted a birthday observance. If anyone want to verify the certificate, just click on this birthday observance. It will leads to an Excel sheet. Here, anyone can verify whether the name of this Sudarshan Ramachandran participated in the program with this certificate. If Sudarshan Ramachandran presented this certificate into any interview or any bodies, they can just scan or they can just go for our certificate verification link to verify whether this certificate is original or not. Because this Sudhakaran Ramanathan cannot manipulate this record in our website. Or he may hack our website in order to create. It is not so easy. So it is not easy to fake a certificate if the record is already published somewhere else in the website or somewhere else. Okay, I think that query is clear. Then I request the the team to share the feedback link.
Soumya, Agamshka, why don't you send the feedback link, please? Sir, it's given, sir.
Yeah, okay. Rajini Srikanth, whether your doubt is clear? Then thank you. No doubt here. Video of these two sessions, yeah, Binsi ma'am, the video of these two sessions are there in my channel. Or you please join the WhatsApp group suggested by Joju sir. The YouTube link will be YouTube link of this session. The live link of this session is available in the WhatsApp group of join the Insight group.
Sir, your channel name, sir. Sajan sir, please, sir.
Sajan Vision.
Sajan Vision.
Vision.
Okay, okay.
Just Google Sajan Vision. You will be directly lead to my channel.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Rajesh M. Dr. Rajesh M. Thank you very much. Then the Sanila, Manoj and Soumya shared the actual link to create the certificate of this program. So I request the participants to please fill the feedback form, come certificate creation link. Then Parthiban Durais sir suggested one query regarding the organizers. I think he is not able to get the certificate, didn't receive the certificate. Okay, yeah, the organizers can verify the participants' email ID in the certificate record. Okay, if any other queries are not there, we can go for the.
Sir, usually certificates will be sent on that day or the next day. But if in submitting if there is a problem, something like that, there might be some errors, and we'll contact him and send him, sir.
Okay, right, okay. Yeah, thank you very much for this patient listening. If you have any more queries regarding this, please visit my YouTube channel. It is created by taking adequate time. So here, while I conducting this session, I'm in a hurry to create all these things. So the certificate may not be so beautiful. The brochure is not so beautiful. Like such errors are there here while conducting in a live class. So I request participants to go for my channel to get the exact details of. There are so many videos are there. You can just search in the search window, or you can use the keyword Sergeant Vision plus certificate, Sergeant Vision plus e-posters. In Google search, you can find my videos directly in the Google search. Okay, I think it's enough for today. We can stop here.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for the excellent presentation, sir. Benedict, sir, are you there, sir?
Thank you,
Benedict,
sir.
Benedict, sir. Dear Sergeant, sir, admission is going on at Marthavilas Training College, sir. Benedict, sir, is parallelly giving interview to the students also. Sergeant, sir, thanks a lot for spending time with us through your 5 sessions, sir. The first 3-day workshop and these 2 insight in-depth talks. You have enlightened all the participants and Marthavilas Training College family, research scholars of University of Kerala, and the teacher education fraternity is really indebted to you. And it's really people like you who have helped the teacher fraternity to tide over the pandemic problems, sir. We bow our head to you before you, sir, and we pray for you. Thanks a lot for your support, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Why don't all of you give a thumbs up to our sir in the chat box? Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. And we can move on to the next session's research department, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for such a wonderful experience. Thank you, Sergeant, sir. It was very much useful for everyone. Thank you so much. Even though you have having some tiredness or health issues at the beginning, but it was very interesting for us. It will definitely give a very much experience in our own Google form creation and also certificate creation. It will definitely be an asset for all of us. Thank you so much. Now, it's showing gratitude is one of the simplest and most powerful thing humans can do for each other. Certainly, today's talk made a difference in our lives. Now it's the time to express our gratitude to Sergeant Sir. Let me invite Ronald Rose for proposing the vote of thanks. Over to you, Ronald.
Samila, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please continue.
Okay, thank you. Very good evening to one and all. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to our principal, Dr. K.V. Benedict sir, for his perfect logistic support and guidance he has extended to all of us, especially our research wing, for uplifting our academic excellence. Dear sir, thank you for your support and caring. Today, we are blessed with an eminent personality, Dr. K.S. Sargent sir. We all are familiar with his academic excellence. In every aspect, you are a true educator whose vision and mission is to spread the knowledge you have gained. And we all know Sargent sir is a master teacher educator in ICT enabled teaching learning for the entire higher education faculty. Dear sir, you made this session a fruitful one, and on behalf of all who gathered here, I extend my heartfelt thanks. Thank you very much, sir, for a brilliant presentation. Next, I would like to thank our research coordinator, Dr. Georgie Jones, sir. Each and every time, he acts as a source of motivation to all. We always remember the love and caring for us to make this program a successful one. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Next, I would like to thank all faculty members of MTTC family for your support for making this program a successful one. Next, I would like to thank all the participants from various prestigious institutions and my fellow researchers. Thank you one and all once again for your cooperation. Thank you. Over to you, Sanila.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ronald. Dear participants, please fill the feedback form. The link is shared in the chat box. E-certificate will be received within 2 days in the email ID which you have entered in the feedback forms. Thank you so much for your valuable participation. Please join us on the next day for another webinar of Insight In-Depth Invited Talk series. See you next week. May God bless you all. Stay safe. Thank you once again. May all of you have a prosperous and safe new year. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please, if possible, stand for the national anthem.
Before the national anthem, Sanila, 1 minute. Hello, Parthiban sir. Please contact me. My mobile number is given in the chat box. Kindly contact me, sir. You will be given the certificates of both the sessions in which you have attended. Okay. I don't know what has happened, but we'll manage it. And dear friends, Insight In-Depth WhatsApp group link is provided in the chat box within after the national anthem. You can join the link to get the link of the weekly Insight in the program. Thank you. Let's stand up for the national anthem.
Sir Ajit Kumar sir from IGNO, Delhi is also participating in our webinar. Thank you so much, sir, for your participation.
Thank you, Ajit Kumar sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. National anthem.
शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।